Hey there! Did you know that a staggering 90% of marketers out there are making the same critical mistake in their campaigns? Stick around to find out what this mistake is, and more importantly, how to avoid it. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the worst mistake marketers make and how to avoid it. Effective marketing strategies are essential for any business's success, so let's get right into this crucial topic. So what's the big issue plaguing so many marketers? It's their tendency to focus too much on highlighting product features rather than emphasizing the benefits. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? But this short-sighted approach often leads to low engagement and conversion rates, which can really hurt the effectiveness of their campaigns. Let's break it down a bit. Imagine you're looking at a new smartphone. Would you be more interested in a list of technical specs? Or would you rather know how this phone can make your life easier, more fun, and more connected? Exactly! Understanding and showcasing the benefits of a product or service is the key to successful marketing. Benefits address customers' needs and emotions, creating a stronger connection with your audience. By shifting the focus from features to benefits, marketers can significantly improve their marketing effectiveness. Here's the magic moment. Emphasizing benefits over features can make a world of difference in how your marketing efforts are received. It's all about speaking directly to your audience's desires and pain points. Think about it this way. People don't just want a drill, they want the hole in the wall it can make for their new picture frame. By connecting with what your audience truly wants, you can create a more impactful and successful campaign. So, to sum it all up, highlighting benefits rather than features in your marketing strategies is crucial for driving audience engagement and boosting conversion rates. Remember, it's not about what the product does, but rather how it can improve the lives of your customers. It's about painting a picture of a better, easier, or more enjoyable life with your product in it. I'd love to hear from you. What common marketing mistakes have you observed in the industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights on effective marketing strategies. Thanks for watching and see you next time.